I gave some equations on board. A small example to all of you. Determine the degree of these polynomials equations. Polynomial multiplication, right? You've been kept on doing this right from your 6th class. How do you multiply these polynomials? Term wise. 3x into x, that is 3x square. 1 into x, x. Minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x. Minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1 is again on the right hand side also term wise multiplication. 5x into 2x, that is 10 times x square, minus 3 times 2x, minus 6x, minus 3 times 5x is minus 15x, minus into minus plus 9. Now I'm not finally simplifying this equation, but if I observe, there are different exponents in this. There is a second degree term, first degree, constant, so 0 degree, and second degree, first degree, first and 0th degree. And the second degree terms are going to remain because on the left hand side I have 3x square and on the right hand side I have 10x square. So even when I bring all of them to one side and make it as single polynomial expression, still there will be an x square term remaining, right? 3 comes to this side, it becomes minus 3x square. So it is finally 7x square. Minus 6x minus 15x is minus 21x. Simple polynomial simplification that we have done. Plus x minus 2x, which is minus 2x on the left hand side. When it comes to right hand side, it becomes plus 2x. So minus 21 plus 2 is 19x. Plus 9 is a constant on the right hand side. Whereas minus 1 on the left hand side, when it comes to this side, it becomes plus 10. Is nothing is remaining on the left hand side, becomes 0. Now which is the highest power remaining? As Naren suggests, the highest power is 2. So what should be the polynomial's degree? The first equation's polynomial's degree is clearly 2. Now try the second one. In fact, as of now, that's not a polynomial at all. Why it is not a polynomial? Because of the presence of the term 1 by x. As we have seen, the power should be only positive powers. But here this is x to the power of minus 1 if you express. That means I have a negative power. So it is not the polynomial at all. So first you have to convert this to a polynomial by doing some mathematical operation. Try. Yeah, it is not a polynomial unless you convert it to a polynomial. So right, let's observe this. The next problem you can try. 4x minus 1 by x equal to 3. Now as such, if I observe each term, this is having power 1. This is having power minus 1. 3 being a constant is 3x to the power of 0. So what are the different powers? First term is having power 1, the other one is minus 1, the third one is 0. So which is the highest? Obviously 1. And particularly when you are writing an objective examination like any competitive exam like NTSC or Olympiads, the same question will be present with A, B, C, D options given. One of the option will be 1, the next one will be 0. C will be 2, D will be 1, say minus 1. If I don't distinguish between an expression and a polynomial, simply calculate all the powers of the terms, whichever is the highest, that is the degree. Now by that definition, if I don't distinguish between a polynomial degree and an expression, then the answer should be 1, which is obviously present at A. Now that's why I insisted when I was talking about a polynomial and expression. Now because this is not a polynomial, I should not even talk about the degree. Now how do I convert it to a polynomial and then talk about the degree? Let's observe this. 4x minus 1 by x equal to 3. Can I write this side as 4x by 1? Now, what is LCM on the left hand side? Polynomial operations. It is by x. Now, x divided by 1 in x times. That into 4x. So, it is 4x square minus 1 equal to 3. 3, I'll write it as 3 by 1. Can I cross multiply the polynomials? It becomes 4x square minus 1 equal to 3 into x, 3x. Now you observe the last line which I wrote. Is that a polynomial now? Naren, is this a polynomial? Manya, are you following what is the calculation we are doing? We are trying to convert a non-polynomial into a polynomial first. Yes. Now that this is a polynomial, can I talk about degree now? First I need to collect the powers. This is power 2 minus 1 constant term. So that is power 0. 3x, that is 3x to the power of 1. Power is 1. This is a polynomial and 3 different powers. All of them are non-negative. So this is a apt condition for what do you call degree of the polynomial. What should be the degree of this now? The degree of the polynomial should be 2. Right? Is this clear now to all? Determine the degree of the following equations. Narayan want me to do one more problem. Okay. Which one should I do, Narayan? C or D? First, as a fundamental mathematical application, let's simplify this equation. Obviously, 1 by x on both the sides get cancelled. So they will not be participating in the expression at all. They are just dummies. They get cancelled on both the sides. So what I am left with is 2 by 1 minus x is equal to 4. Now 4 I'll write it as 4 by 1. Can I cross multiply? 2 into 1 is 4 times 1 minus x. 2 equal to 4 minus 4x. That gives me 0th degree, 0th degree, first degree. So what is the highest power? Now what's the difference in the second problem? Maybe you people are scared of the negative power. Don't worry. X to the power of minus 2, can I write it as 1 by x square plus 5 by x equal to 1. Now the left hand side has two fractions. So even the third factor I'll make it by 1. Now I think you can calculate. Narain, Manya and Ujjwal, keep trying, quick. From here onwards I am sure you can do it. What will be the LCM of the denominators? 1 x square x. So LCM should be x square. X square with 1 cancels x square times. So that into 3x cube is 3x to the power of 5 minus x square with x square cancels 1 times 1 into minus 1, that's 1. X square with x cancels x times, so that into 5, that gives me 5x is 1. So now I have 3x to the power of 5 minus 1 plus 5x is cross multiplying 1 into x square is x square. So what should be the degree of this polynomial now? The highest degree being, now that we make all of them positive, non-zero. So first term is of 5th degree, second term is of 0th degree, third term is of 1st degree, and the right hand side is of 2nd degree. So in the entire polynomial, the highest degree is 5. So degree of the polynomial is 5.